Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Glam and Glow Organically, where we explore the best natural beauty secrets to keep you glowing inside and out. Today, I've got a fantastic, super easy tip for those of you looking to grow your nails fast without spending a fortune on products. Imagine achieving long, strong nails with just one simple ingredient that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Curious? Let's dive in. If you've been dreaming of longer, stronger nails, but struggle to see growth, there's a simple, natural solution. You can try garlic. Yes, this common kitchen ingredient is packed with powerful nutrients that can significantly boost your nail growth. Garlic is rich in selenium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in promoting nail health and strength. When applied directly to your nails, garlic helps to increase blood circulation to the nail bed, stimulating faster and healthier nail growth. Not only does it help your nails grow longer, but it also strengthens them, preventing annoying breakage and brittleness. To harness the power of garlic for your nails, simply crush a fresh garlic clove to release its potent juice. Apply the juice directly onto your nails, ensuring you cover the entire surface, especially around the cuticles. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all those beneficial nutrients to fully absorb. Yes, the smell can be strong, but trust me, the benefits are worth it. After the time is up, rinse your hands with warm water and a mild soap. Repeat this simple process daily, and within just a few weeks, you'll start noticing a significant improvement in your nail growth and overall nail health. Garlic is not just a quick fix. It's a natural remedy that promotes long-term nail health. This one-ingredient wonder is perfect for anyone looking to grow their nails naturally without chemicals or expensive treatments. Give it a try and watch your nails transform stronger, longer, and more beautiful than ever before. And there you have it, an easy, natural way to grow your nails fast using just one ingredient. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need a nail boost too. Make sure you're subscribed to Glam and Glow Organically for more natural beauty secrets. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this garlic trick and how it worked for you. Until next time, stay glowing and keep those nails growing.